Hey, what is up everyone? I have a good news for the Samsung Galaxy A52 users. Samsung has recently sent the May security patch that on my phone is about 302 megabytes in size. It also fixes some other issues with this device that we will talk about in this video. First of all, we have now enhanced quick sharing between Galaxy devices. Previously, the phone was sometimes not able to send the files, but now with this update, it has been fixed. Next, we have video calling support, which combined with third-party applications provide some background effects, which is a cool feature in my opinion. Also, Samsung has improved the overall performance of the camera. Now it is much responsive. Shutter lag is still present there, but I think so it has been reduced a lot. Also, there was a widespread issue with the screen of the Galaxy A52, where we had ghost touches with the previous update, but now with this new update it has been fixed. Moving on to the next thing, we have now improved call quality, but it also depends on the network you are using. So make sure you check call quality on Wi-Fi applications like WhatsApp to have a better idea. In the last, we have this LGPD, which stands for Journal Personal Data Protection Law. I don't know much about it, but it has been mentioned here, and overall security of the device has been improved. As indicated in the changelog, updating to this new software, you will not be able to downgrade to the previous version. So keep that in mind. So guys, these were some of the main highlights of this update. I hope you liked the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.